So word on the street is that you want to learn how I created this Pride-inspired nail look, and I'll show you just how. But before we get into it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more nail fun. Are y'all ready? Let's celebrate some Pride. Okay, y'all, let's get right into it. We're gonna start off by painting 3 of our nails, 2 coats of your favorite white gel polish, and of course, curing them between layers. Next, I'm gonna grab my pigment palette and of course pick out all of the colors that are in the Pride flag. It is a Pride nail set, so we're gonna be very prideful and very gay. Yes! So now I'm gonna grab my eyeshadow brush, dip into the orange pigment, and stipple that on and around my cuticle area. But before dipping into that pink pigment powder, you will have a clean paper towel on the side where you buff out whatever orange remaining pigment is in that eyeshadow brush. Once that is buffed out, I dip into my pink pigment and start stippling that on and around the middle area and buffing it on a little bit onto the orange. And you're going to repeat the same steps by buffing the remaining pink pigment out on a clean paper towel before dipping into your purple. If you notice, I used one eyeshadow brush per nail. And if you look at the multicolored nail that's coming on, I'm using the exact same brush to buff out all these different colors. But the trick is to buff whatever remaining pigment is on your brush before you move on to a different color. I hope I didn't confuse you guys, but how cute is this multicolored little butterfly wing that's gonna be? I seem to have lost footage, but please don't forget to top coat your nails. I actually top coated twice because I knew I was going to be buffing them. Do not forget to top coat your nails. Now grabbing my little orange buffer, I'm just buffing the pigment nails. I just want a nice smooth matte canvas for the butterfly effect that's coming. Are you ready for chrome nails? Top coating the remaining 2 nails, giving this top layer of top coat a full cure under the lights. And I will be buffing in my chrome. I chose a purple and an orange chrome. After application, please don't forget to top coat your chrome. Thank you very much. And I just want to take this time to say happy Pride, y'all. I hope you guys are being safe. I hope you guys are living your most authentic life. I hope you guys know your history. Power to you, sister or brother. Yes. So this is what your bases are supposed to look like at this point. And I know finally it's time for butterflies. So I'm gonna grab my liner brush and a black gel polish. And the first step is really easy. Just outline the entire nail. Just go all around the entire nail with your black brush. Now guys, keep in mind that this is a sped up version. So take your time. A little trick for you. Once you are happy with the outline that you have, go ahead and give it a little flash cure with your UV light. Girl, you're not going to regret it, just in case you do a little mistake. Please don't be intimidated by this design. It's super easy. I'll show you just how easy. You are going to start off by drawing one teardrop from the corner of the nail. That's all we're going to be drawing are little teardrops to fill up all the entire nail space. After you are happy with that teardrop, you are going to start drawing teardrops around that teardrop. It's super easy, guys. I think it's better if I just let you see it. And don't forget to take your time. This is a sped up version, and even me, I was looking for inspiration. Okay, guys, so please just take your time, enjoy the process. Also, remember it's just gel polish. You can just wipe it off and start again. Once you're happy with all your little teardrops, it is time to fill up the negative space between the teardrops with your black gel polish. So go ahead and do that. Now you can really see that butterfly coming through. It is time to add the little butterfly's accent. So I'm going to grab a little dotting tool and dip into some white gel polish and just dot it all around in random little clusters, however your little heart desires, just like so. I'll just let y'all enjoy the remaining two little butterflies in case you need another finger to look at in another color. Enjoy the process because I certainly do. I love how this ombre came out. Just imagine all the possibilities of butterfly wings that you can come up with. Girl. So your butterfly wings should be on. It's time to move on to line work. I'm going to start off by drawing this white gel polish line across the nail. And remember to take your time because we're leaving each and every line wet or uncured until the end. Okay, so please take your time doing this line work. I will be using white, yellow, blue, and green to create this beautiful line work over this chrome. It looks so pretty. So all your line work goodness should be looking like this by the end of your nail. And we're gonna grab some clear acrylic powder and just top it all over it, making sure everything looks nice and matte without touching the wet polish. And that is when we are going to cure it. I have to say this is my favorite part with this nail design is when you brush off all that excess acrylic powder and you reveal this matte design with that beautiful chrome underneath. Ooh, honey, you're almost at the end of the race. It is time to top coat all that hard work you did on your butterfly wings. Now drop me a comment if you would wear this nail set or if you're gonna try this nail set. And this is your new nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!